Hey there, thanks for coming back to Cricut Design Space Tutorials. I am your Cricut coach, Rebecca, with Hops and Hospitality, and I wanted to show you a quick video on the color sync feature and 2 quick ways to change some colors in something that you have already grouped. Now, I am just wrapping up my group and ungroup features for beginners, so go ahead and check out that video if you are new and interested in learning how, when, and why to use group and ungroup in your design. I have been throwing together this design, and earlier in the video I had all 6 sunflowers in this nice golden color. Now, let's say I want to quickly change these pink sunflowers back to gold without having to ungroup everything and click them. There are 2 ways to do this, again, without ungrouping. Number 1, I can go over to this right side menu bar and click each line item individually of the pink flowers. So here, and I'm holding Shift and clicking the second one, and I'm holding Shift and clicking the third. Now only the pink flowers are selected, and I can click the gold, and now we are all back together. But I want to show you this really cool color sync feature that I admit I was intimidated by early on, and I don't know if many people know about, but it is really simple and really cool. So I am going to put these back to pink and go right back over here to your right side menu. And you'll see that at the very top, right now we are in the Layers tab, but you can scroll over and click Color Sync, and it's like a different tab. And what it lets you do is change colors of everything selected in a single color in your image. So for instance, with this image, it's pretty simple, straightforward. There are only 3 colors, there are only 7 individual items, and it's really not that complex. But if we had a large object, or we had several individual items, and it was very important for us to see exactly how it would look in the right shades of each color before we printed, we might want to go through and be able to change them all in a simple way. So in this case, it is really great because I can select this pink line item and simply drag it to one of the colors I want it to be. So by holding this down and dragging it into this yellow row, all of a sudden, everything in pink turns to this gold color. And it's neat. I can do this both ways. I can also do this with text. If I held down the black and dragged it into the yellow box, it would change my font yellow also. There you go. Now, of course, it blends in and we can't see it, but you can do it the other way around. And if I dragged the gold into the black row, it would change everything to black. Now, in this case, we don't want to do that. We just wanted to change the pink to go back to some golden sunflowers. So we'll stop here. But that is a fun, easy feature that I don't think gets enough credit on Cricut Design Space. So thank you for tuning in, because now today you have learned another fun Cricut hack that you can use to help speed up your projects and make your life just a little bit easier when you're in your crafting mode. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.